Welcome back, guys, to another Woodford video. Today we're going to be installing a mud guard on Josh's Trek Marlin 5. So let's go. Step one is where you take out the wheel, and if you've got disc brakes, put in a bit of cardboard between your brake calipers, and if they get jammed together, you won't be able to get your wheel back in. Then step two is to wipe the arch and where the thing's going to go, the mud guard. So yeah, Josh, need to help you. Okay, so we're gonna put the mud guard in. Get the mud guard in the arch where it's gonna go. You might need someone to help you. Okay, Josh will.
You little mud guard. But I'll get it.
Okay. Then you need some cable ties. Okay.
There we go.
Think Josh got it. Move your hand.
Yes, sorry, sir. You have to lift it up.
Okay. Get the cable ties in.
So sorry for the colour yellow, but can't find any other cable ties. So
yeah. So we're gonna put these cable ties together.
Don't have them as tight. So
Yeah,
you
just
can move the mud guard around, and then you can make them tight.
Yeah, so have them pretty loose. And you do the other side.
And I need to straighten it.
Yeah, you can do that. Lift it up, which we can do after we get the next one in. So trying to get these together. So you might need a friend to help you. Okay, just loosely. Yeah. Okay. Now the top one. So once you've got these in, I'll help you. Yeah, I got it. We'll get through the hole. Yep, okay. No, yep, go around. Got it? Yep. Okay. Now, we'll tighten them all up.
Yep, all of them.
Yep. Do that side, Josh. Yep. That side.
That's right.
Cool. So the mud guard should be secure. Just tap it and it should be pretty tight.
And now?
Okay, now we need to clip all like the frilly bits off the cable ties. With some clippers that are strong enough to cut cable ties.
They're not clippers, by the way.
No, snippers. Last one. Okay, got that. Okay, don't litter, so put them in the bin. Grab your wheel. Okay, now take out this cardboard. Make sure nobody squeezes your front brakes. Should just slide in. Now you tighten your wheel on so it doesn't fall out.
Hashtag that happened to me a couple of days ago.
While we were out riding.
Just loosen it a bit more. Yep,
Okay, so yeah, now we're done. So that's how you install the mud guard. See ya.